In this energy clearing session, we're going to be working on dealing with difficult people. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin from Vibration Elevation, and today's clearing is a custom clearing again, and it seems like difficult people seem to be a theme lately. So this clearing is going to help you with releasing the negative energy between you and the difficult person. And what this will do is it will take a lot of the charge out of it so you can see the situation more clearly, which often means you'll look at that person and be like, what's your problem? You know, I'm good. Good luck to you. I let you go, but this is not my problem. And it will help you detach from the energy, the cycle of energy, of negative energy, so that you can just feel okay, be okay yourself, no matter what is happening between you and this person. So you do want to make sure that it isn't you. And if it is, just ask yourself, why does this bother me so much? Or what am I doing to create a difficult situation? And then just ask to release it. But if it's not you and it's the same negative energy patterns happening over and over, hold the person in mind that this energy is active with and do the clearing. So you want to actually visualize their face, the scene, whatever it is, and this is going to help you clear the energy in the whole event, or a typical event, just the energy in your field related to this person. So we're going to be clearing karmic ties with this person, because quite often it's not just some random person you meet. I mean, yeah, sure, there's difficult people everywhere, right? But they're not going to be something that's going to most likely drive you crazy. It's the difficult people that you know that keep coming around, or that you keep having conflict with, or just interactions with, that are going to be the thing that you're going to want to clear. So you're going to want to clear between you and them, and all of the negative energy and the karmic ties and the karmic debt between them. So hold the person, and you want to do one person at a time. So if you have like 3 people, a group of people, choose one and hold them in mind as we do this clearing. And then you can come back and do it for other ones, okay? So hold the person in mind and just see what happens. Let's do the clearing. Okay, so that's all done. Continue to hold that person's picture, their image in mind. And as you do, tell them, say, I release you to the universe. I release you to the universe. And you just use the feeling that this is not my problem. You know, whatever you have going on, good luck to you. This has nothing to do with me. I release you to the universe and see how you feel. And, you know, if it should happen really quickly, but if not, come back and listen again, because your intention is really powerful. When you intend to seriously release them to the universe and not engage, not see them as difficult, just see them as like, okay, they've got something going on, not my problem, you will be free, which is, you know, the best. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching or for listening, however you found this. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.